Welcome to J&J's test video for S4 MA 469, a 2004 Mazdaspeed Miata. Has 84,000. What is it? Oh, let me turn the key. 84,946. So 84,000, 85,000 miles. Hitting the back here. She runs, she moves, she has some nice seats and everything in it. It was a nice car. It's got a roll bar in it. Some speakers back there. All stock as well, not all messed with. So it runs. Let's see what we got. Has nice headrests. There's a little tonneau cover back there. We'll have that. Window regulator works, just stuck in a bent door, so. There's a ton of blow by, even though that oil cap weighs. Alright, we'll check transmission and that'll be about it. These are getting harder and harder to find. And also harder and harder to find not drift car ready. Got a 6-speed, so there's 4th bit. Oh, get up there. There's reverse. Alright. There you go. As always, thank you for watching and have your pets spayed and neutered.